Hey traders, listen up. Ever felt blocked from accessing DERIV because of where you live? Maybe you're in the USA, Dubai, Canada, or the UK, and you keep running into those annoying restrictions. Well, I've got some tips that'll have you trading wherever you are. Let's get into it. First off, you'll need two things to unlock a DERIV account: proper identity documents and proof of address. Now, if you're wondering where to get those, don't stress. I've got your back. My contacts are below on the description. Check out the info in the description below for details on securing those documents the right way. Next, a good VPN is your secret weapon. Make sure you pick a reliable one, connect to a location where DERIV is accessible, and always keep your connection secure. This step is crucial, don't skip it. Once you're set up, head to DERIV. Sign up using the link we'll provide when I issue you the documents. It's important to use real accurate info. Don't try to game the system without me. If you run into any hitches, I've dropped a troubleshooting guide in the description too. Avoid scammers and let me assist you. Want more trading hacks? Hit subscribe and let's keep leveling up your trading game. Stay blessed.